In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Teachable. If you run courses on Teachable and use Mailchimp for email marketing, connecting the two lets new students flow straight into your audience without manual uploads. To follow along, you'll need admin access to your Teachable school and a Mailchimp account with at least one audience set up. Start in your Teachable admin. Open the App Hub, which is where Teachable keeps its built-in integrations. Scroll or use the search bar to find the Mailchimp icon and click it. On the Mailchimp integration page, you'll see two fields waiting for you. One for your Mailchimp API key and another for your Mailchimp audience ID. These are the credentials that let Teachable talk securely to the right audience in your Mailchimp account. Now, switch over to Mailchimp to grab those details. In Mailchimp, go to Account, then Extras, and select API keys. If you don't already have a key, create a new one. Give it a clear label so you know what it's used for, then copy the key. Keep this key private. It grants access to your Mailchimp account. Don't share it, and don't paste it anywhere public. Next, still in Mailchimp, go to Audience, then All Contacts. Open Settings, and choose Audience Name and Defaults. On that page, you'll find the Audience ID, sometimes referred to as List ID in older interfaces. Copy that exact value. If you have multiple audiences, make sure you're copying the ID for the audience you want your Teachable contacts to join. Head back to Teachable and paste the API key into the API key field and the Audience ID into the Audience ID field. Double-check for any extra spaces at the beginning or end. Those can cause validation errors. When everything looks correct, click Save. After saving, Teachable will use that API key and Audience ID to send new student information to your selected Mailchimp audience. If you see an error, confirm that the key is active in Mailchimp, that the Audience ID matches the correct audience, and that there aren't any typos. Also, remember that if you later rotate or delete the API key in Mailchimp, you'll need to update it in Teachable to keep the connection working. One more tip. If your Mailchimp audience uses double opt-in or has required GDPR fields, subscribers may receive a confirmation email or need specific fields mapped in Mailchimp before they're fully added. That's normal and helps keep your list compliant. And that's it. Open Teachable's App Hub. Click Mailchimp, fetch your API key and audience ID from Mailchimp, paste them into Teachable, and hit Save. You're connected and ready to grow.